Pella fiberglass products deliver unmatched strength and lasting durability in a sleek, timeless style. Made of our proprietary fiberglass, the strongest material for windows and patio doors, our exclusive fiberglass is tested and designed for a lifetime of everyday use. It can withstand sub-zero cold, the most extreme heat, and the rigorous performance requirements of a commercial building. It is a superior choice for all climates. It will never rot or corrode, and it resists dents, bends, and breaks. Baked on in the factory, our tough-as-nails powder coat finish resists chalking and fading, and will help keep your sleek fiberglass windows and patio doors beautiful for years to come. Tested in extremes and designed for every day, our fiberglass windows and patio doors are engineered to last.